just a video camera.
Isn't that amazing? Back in the day, my brother-in-law was the first guy to get a video camera, and the stinking thing was about as big as this table, right? You know, you had to haul around a whole bunch of other crap with it. It's just amazing.
So I just want to make sure that we're solidified with the pricing.
Oh, it's too dark.
Good.
This is outside.
Good. We'll keep it that way. Do this. There you go.
All right, there you
That's
go.
what you want. There.
All right,
Yes.
there you go.
Get some of that free out there. Get it on the back, on the shirt.
All right, let's do the walkthrough. How many weeks, Dave?
Well, I'm hoping to hang drywall in about 2 to 3 weeks.
Did everyone hear that? What? 2-3 weeks drywall.
Hoping to hang drywall in about 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay, and today's date is
The 15th
May.
of May.
It's not the 15th.
Give myself a little bit more time.
All right. All right, let's do the walkthrough. This is the dining room. We're walking into the kitchen. Hey there.
What's up?
How's it going?
It's going good. How's it going with you?
Checking out progress. Am I happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dave said 2 weeks.
Yeah. Well, you know, it's always easy to say.
You guys are working pretty fast.
Brian.
Oh, and there's the hood. Get a close up. Close up. It's a pretty cool hood.
Washington's very own 94.7 The Globe. This is world-class rock for a world-class city.
94.7 The Globe.